Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be sharing a trade that I took on a US30. So today is the 17th of July 2024. So I'll be sharing my screen of the CTrader platform. So let's hop on to the charts and I'll quickly show you what I was looking at today. So right, as you can see, right, so this is my day to day. So a quick look to the left to see how price was actually moving. So I saw this was yesterday price broke this high. I think I showed you yesterday's trade, so it broke this high, also went on to break this high. Oh yeah, yesterday I didn't show you a trade yesterday on yesterday. Yeah, I didn't take any trade. It was on gold actually, but that's fine. So price went on to break structure to the upside. So with the morning, price actually changed to switch up bearish in the lower time frame. It also went, so when the London opened, it was just consolidating. So I marked this a break of structure here. So as you can see from the left, price retested into this level. So I marked this level including this gap right here. As you can see, there's a gap. As you can see here, there is a gap. Usually I usually mark my order block like this, né? But sometimes when there's a gap like this, I always mark it like this and always wait for price to push close above it, and I usually take a trade. But I'm just showing you how I mark my order blocks. It's always going to be different. There's some things that I'm used to see on the chance that I may not be able to explain it, or I forget to explain it sometimes. So here, as you can see, price went, came back, but there was a gap here as well. So I quickly marked this low right here, right? So here, right? So today my bias was actually bearish, I don't wanna lie, but I was just hoping and waiting on how price was going to react somehow. So let's see how price. So this was my area of interest where I was expecting this price to react from, or else I was also expecting price to go to the upside before actually going to the downside to clear this liquidity resting on the London session, because it was actually consolidating. So let's move prices, see how price reacted in here somehow. All right, so yeah, so price moved a bit. All right, so I was waiting for the New York to open, and immediately the New York opened. Always opens inside the London, so waiting for it to break out as always. So as you can see, price moved. Let me speed it up a bit. So it moved, right? All right, okay, boom, there, right? So see guys, this was the New York. It opened already, right? So when I saw the price taking out this low, I was like, it's fine, let's wait for it. So basically you can see price, I'm sure it had come to my zone already, right? So in this case, I then marked this as a breakout structure, right, for yesterday, right? Because it shows that it was actually, this rejection showed me that price was actually wanting to go to the upside, right? And I also then quickly marked my trend line right here. All right, so I waited again, right there. So as you can see guys, price here, as you can see, it actually respected, it didn't actually change character like what I was expected to do, but this rejection showed me that price was showing momentum to go to the upside. So what I was waiting for, it created more like a high low here, because as you can see it respected this kind of order block sitting right here. Let me just quickly mark it. Yeah, as you can see. So the thing is, so every time I see something like this, I always wait for a confirmation, because this was actually towards the 3:30, the New York stock exchange open. So there's like 9:30 in the US, so there's always like more volume in the market when it opens. So I know that when that happens, so I need to, in that case, I need to get into a trade either before or after, but I have to get in the trade with the confirmation. So all right, so I then waited for price to give me a confirmation or something that I can, hold on to, so that I can take a trade. All right, so you see nothing yet. All right there, you see guys. So like I said, price catered this low first, grabbed liquidity, went up, respected this low by creating a high low, and then it went on to break this high low structure and close above this level, you see, and above this inside candle. So I think I haven't told you about inside candle. So as you can see, there's this bearish candle and this bearish candle. You can see this next bearish candle from this one, it opened lower, went up and didn't check out the previous candle, it's high. Also it failed to take the previous candle, slow. So in that case, that's why it's an inside candle. So price, as you can see, closed above this level here, and again took out the previous inside candle high. So to me, that was a confirmation enough to say it's actually going to the upside price, right? So I quickly took my trade here. So as you always know guys, I was risk properly. So let's see, the more lot, it's gonna be, I'm just gonna use, I remember I took a lot of like it was a one lot, yeah, one lot. So let's just quickly, okay, use one lot. So stop loss. No, I was confused. This one, it's a 2.5 lot size, because I was confused with gold. I remember I took a 2.5 lot right here, so it's 2.5. That's what it is normally. So by stop loss, my stop loss was very tight, guys. It was tight, but as always, guys, always put your stop loss below, because you don't know how price reacts. So below this level, always risk one. So let's see how price reacted from here. So 15 that then hit, then yeah, we were in profit already. Wow, price moved very quick today, guys. And right, so my take profit is always 5% if I'm risking 1%. Right here, right, look at this. So you see price broke out, grabbed liquidity, respected my order block, closed above. My confirmation was when it closed above this level, and checking out this inside bar high, it was confirming that now we already got the upside. So let's see how it played out. All right, so yeah, as you can see guys, my TP was actually hit. So this was my today's trade, guys, and it was just a good trade, and that's why. So pretty much everything was transparent. The same things, I always look out for the same setup. I always trade on gold. It's the same thing I always look for on US30 as well. So you see guys, price moved quickly and my TP was hit. This was more like a 1 hour trade or less, 45 minutes trade, and quickly did my take profit. So guys, this is it for today. I'll catch you up in the next video, so stay tuned. Peace.